This is the side of Treasure Beach no one talks about. Imagine starting your day at a quiet villa, getting picked up by a local captain, stopping by the famous Floyd's Pelican Bar, and ending the day at a peaceful secret beach location. Today, I am taking you with me to the Captain Dennis experience here in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. And trust me, you're gonna wanna save this for your next trip to Jamaica because this experience is worth it and it's one of a kind. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Travel with Tony, and today we are in the beautiful parish of St. Elizabeth in Treasure Beach. Now, when most people think about Jamaica, they usually think about Montego Bay or Ocho Rios or even Negril, but Treasure Beach is a whole different vibe. It's very laid back, it's slow, it's all about community tourism. It's not over commercialized, there's no all-inclusive. It's just the kind of vibe that is just relaxed. Now, Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth was destroyed by Hurricane Melissa, but now they're back stronger than ever, and I spent a couple of days there, and I want to share this particular experience with you because I feel like you will enjoy it. On this trip, I stayed at Calabash Bay Villa, which is located on Calabash Bay Road in Treasure Beach, and it's run by Jake's Hotel. And if this is a villa that you want to book, I'll drop the link of it below. We booked the Captain Dennis experience, which is a boat tour that takes you out for an adventure. So what I love about this experience is that it didn't feel rushed. It didn't feel so touristy. It felt personal and authentic. And that's the real side of Jamaica you want to see. So we started the day at Calabash Bay Villa in Treasure Beach. My Captain Dennis came to pick us up right away. The energy was good. You know, when you meet somebody and you can just tell they know what they're doing, but they also make you feel comfortable. That's the vibe you get from Captain Dennis.
Hi, how are you doing?
Greetings.
Greetings. You remember me?
Of course I remember you, yes. What I don't good with is
the name,
names,
that's fine.
but you say face and voice, I can hear you on the phone and say, yeah man.
Yes. Nice to see you again. I'm finally getting
Same here.
Yeah?
Same here.
We got on the boat, settled in, and headed out on the water. And honestly, even before we reached our first stop, I was already enjoying the ride. The breeze, the views, the calmness of the sea, everything just felt easy. There's something about being on the water in Jamaica that makes you slow down a little bit. You stop checking your phone so much, you stop thinking about everything you have to do. You just sit there, taking the view and enjoy the moment. Now, our first stop was supposed to be Floyd's Pelican Bar, but before we even got there, something so special happened. We saw dolphins. Real dolphins just out there in the wild. This was my first time seeing dolphins like this, and I don't even know how to explain the feeling. They were so calm, they're so chill, they're so cute. It honestly made me feel like a little child again. You know, those moments when something happens and you're just completely present, that was me. I wasn't thinking about filming perfectly or getting the right shot. I was just happy to witness it. I love about traveling through Jamaica. Sometimes the most beautiful moments are the ones you don't even plan for. That dolphin moment alone made my day feel special, no lies. After that, we made our way to Floyd's Pelican Bar. Now, Pelican Bar is one of those places in Jamaica that is truly unique. It's literally a bar built out in the middle of the sea, and every time I visit, it still feels unreal. This is like my fourth time visiting Floyd's Pelican Bar, but this visit felt a little more meaningful because I was so happy to see that they were open again after Hurricane Melissa. They were destroyed, but seeing them come back strong felt really good. And that's one thing about Jamaica. No matter how hard things get, people always find a way to rebuild, recover, and keep going. So being there wasn't just about taking a cute photo or having a drink. It felt like supporting a place that means a lot to the community and to Treasure Beach experience. Now, a little bit about Pelican Bar. There's no admission fee, so the best thing you can do is support the bar, buy food, grab a drink, take a photo, cool up in the water, and just enjoy the views. And of course, don't forget to take a selfie. They have a little selfie here that you can take because you have to document these precious moments. After spending some time at Pelican Bar, we got back on the boat and headed to the next stop. Captain Dennis took us to this secret beach location, and when I tell you this place was beautiful, wow, it felt like our own little piece of paradise. The water was calm, the sea was clear, and the beach was perfect. It was quiet, and we pretty much had the whole beach to ourselves. This is the kind of Jamaican experience I wish more people knew about. Not crowded, not rushed, not loud, just peaceful, beautiful, and full of good energy. It's a perfect place just to relax, breathe, and take in everything. Now, one thing I really loved about the Captain Dennis experience is that it's not just about ride, it feels like a full day experience. Captain Dennis and his team really took care of us. The service was top notch.
So cute, thank you.
So what we have here?
These are shrimp,
Shrimp.
fried shrimp. Yeah. Ready to go. And then
Thank
we have escovitch coming with it. You like some sauce?
Yes.
Sure.
I'm going to
We got food and drinks.
Some more rice and peas, and this is from the black eyed peas.
Yeah.
And then over here we have callaloo cabbage with pumpkin. And then here is a garlic / curry lobster. And then over here, of course, the brown stew kingfish. And then here we have some jerk sauce you can add to the side. Okay? So enjoy. Go ahead and serve. Yes.
Which is included. We had shrimp, fish, lobster, rice, and peas. And no lie, the food tasted so good, and unlimited liquor was flowing. And you know, I'm always going to tell the truth about the food. There were hammocks there so you can relax, seating areas where you could sit and eat, and even a bathroom.
Nature.
Which is important because when you're spending the whole day somewhere, little things like that make the experience much more comfortable. It really felt like they thought about what people would need to enjoy the day, and it was properly done. After the delicious food, I took a dip in the water and it was so refreshing. Look at how clear this water is. We were lucky because the sea was calm that day and everything just felt so peaceful. I walked around, took in the views, relaxed for a bit, and just enjoyed the moment. And honestly, that's what I loved most about this experience. It gave me space to slow down. Sometimes when you travel, you try to do everything. We want to see every attraction, get every photo, visit every popular spot. But this day reminded me that some of the best travel memories come from simply being present. Sitting by the sea, eating good food, laughing with good people, feeling the breeze, watching the water, just existing in a beautiful place. That's what this day felt like. Now, at the time of doing this excursion, the cost was $130 US per person, and it's a minimum of 4 person. And it included food, unlimited liquor, boat rides to Floyd's Pelican Bar and this beach. And I think that is totally worth it. So if you're planning a trip to Treasure Beach and you're looking for something that feels authentic, not too touristy, and different, I highly recommend the Captain Dennis experience. You get that boat ride, Pelican Bar, beautiful views, food, drinks, and a secret beach location, and just a full day of energy. It's perfect for family, it's perfect for friends, any form of celebration that you're having, and it's a great way to see a different side of Jamaica. And for me, this is why I love exploring Jamaica, and I love sharing my experiences with you, because every parish, every community, every coastline has its own story, and Treasure Beach has this quiet beauty that stays with you. So that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow the real Captain Dennis on Instagram and TikTok to book this excursion, and tell him travel with Tony and send. Let me know in the comments, have you ever been to Treasure Beach, or is it on your bucket list? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with someone who's planning to take a trip to Treasure Beach soon. Until next time, keep exploring, keep supporting locals here in Jamaica, and keep discovering the real Jamaica. See you soon, guys.